live from Facebook on the TikTok.
Popular everywhere you go. Umakpanuwe Ajebor mege loki. Umakae obije. Umakpanuene amiajawu ofe. Umakae obije. Benu makpanuwe yobe pani ki o wawe o. Umakae obije. Umakae obije. Tokpade wakweyawu Ambassador Ajebor.
Share. Don't set. Make una come listen to father-in-law. Let's go. TikTok, power tap for me there.
Ambassador Ajebor.
Facebook, let's go. Just a share. Mona come see. Mona come here waiting the apple for Benin City, Nigeria, our country. TikTok, power tap. We need 100 people to be watching before we go straight to the show. Let's go. Facebook, share. That being said, let me enjoy my music dedicated to me. Power tap. God bless you. You that is power tap on TikTok. God bless you. You're gonna see money they use. You're gonna see money they use. Power tap, TikTok. Power tap.
Ajebor mege loki. Idolebo meki. Agba amenae. Ajebor mege de baba o. Amenae meki o.
Power tap for me for TikTok. Facebook, make una come hear wetin father-in-law talk from Benin City. It can happen to you. Let's go. Share. If I don't see share for this video, we go postpone this program. I will not do this video if I come from Munich for Bayamuchi. I don't see 100 they watch. And this video I'm not doing it. I will postpone it after my journey from Muchi. I will not do this video. TikTok, God bless you. Power tap. I want 100 people to be watching there on TikTok. 100. Power tap, give me gifts for TikTok. Emma, we had a gift, you know what?
Ajebor era kevije oteke wose egbera mekele gbiye no waya wawese ewani yo boyo meleke na me waya fe wawese owiyan asunu kagbe esin ya kanwa
Zion, how are you? Let's go. Facebook, share. 100 should be watching. 100. If 100 is not watching on Facebook, the program I'm not going to do it this night. I will do it after my traveling back from Bayern Munich. Yes. TikTok, power tap. Iwe rana we bieri ya. Zion, I sight you, Mommy is good. That is our great mommy. I sight you there. Mommy in the house. God bless you, mama. Thanks for joining today, Mama. God bless you. How's your husband and the children? TikTok, power tap. Make una come listen to wetin father-in-law talk, so that make una for learn, make una get sense. Abeg, my go bring coke here. Share. Ajebor, ambassador Ajebor, amieyawo efe, na edige o, lelu lage o, okpe mana, sila, opasa kova apata Joshua, Eriyo boyo, Egogo Nola, thank you very much. See when I see this program what I want to do this evening, I know one make una look and say, now because of you now I want bias. No, now make me just a talk now. If 100 not they watch for Facebook, I not go do the program. Una will come listen to the program after my journey from Bayern Munich to Mainz. I don't come house. Una will come listen. Did you know why? Why I want you people to share it? They say waiting somebody see. Now you go take fee advice person, the next person tomorrow. Waiting you not see or waiting you not know about. It go hard, it go dey difficult before you feel use the advice person. Una know the matter why they talk, why I say one woman, because somebody say no woman just the open where the woman they base, but this one they don't put me the talk I don't open the state, the country where the woman they base. The woman why I say she the base for England where be say her husband bye. She get 2 children for the man and they don't bury the man wey bye for England. I can't say the woman can't call me say Epa, I know say you get wisdom. Epa, now anytime I reach house and before my husband bye, I know say my husband get house and my papa dey stay. Anytime I reach house, I get right to take ask my father-in-law the document of that property. Then I answer her and I give her my answer. Which I can't bring that matter called live screen video. People can't deliberate for TikTok and for Facebook. A lot of people see send me, Ajebor, go ask the woman whether they don't do waiting that they do, the sacrifice whether they do. I call the woman again. And the woman can't tell me, say, Mr. Ajebor, now just because of that one now they call her. The woman don't dey Nigeria since then, ivie though, and the woman don't tell, he don't call me, he don't set for Benin. No, I'm not sure say we will do this program today. People not share. It never reach 100 at all for Facebook. No, we're not going to do the program. TikTok. If I see 100 watching me, we are going to let the whole world know waiting the father-in-law talk. I need 100 to be watching. If 100 is not watching, I am going to leave the program today. I will come and do it freely after I return back from Bayern Munich. That time, even though like 5 people now listen, not concern me. But I try my let una make una get awareness of what they happen for life in case of a case city. Because this thing can happen to you. Not be only fight. Una go dey look for social media. Oh. Not be only fight. Then they insult person. Now una go dey look for social media. Oh. The day where this kind of thing go happen to you, you not go know how you go take come on for his side. Facebook, if you not reach 100, yeah, mama, I can see you no gay. If TikTok reach 100, I go off Facebook. If you like, you can't TikTok. If you don't like, not can't TikTok. I'll say, make people wait get TikTok, man, let them know what happen. TikTok, power tap. I don't get 70 they watch me for TikTok. Power tap for TikTok. Once TikTok reach 100, I go cut Facebook. You know, concern me. Because if una 1 year, una supposed to share them for Facebook. Once TikTok reach 100, I go cut Facebook. So if you want cut TikTok, cut TikTok. If you don't want to go listen to where the people where they share and go listen to that side. But all I want to say, father-in-law, hold man, Idioma don't talk. Idioma don't make decision. Eriyo boy, you're in Nigeria. Oh, waiting, mama. Right? Mama say, you must do it today. Oh, mama, you cut TikTok because this Facebook I go cut her. Facebook they not the share am. TikTok I don't get 73 for TikTok. Waiting make TikTok reach 100. I'll come up for Facebook. I want TikTok. Make una come here about Ajeme no game mama moonlight. Mona come here waiting the sup for Benin, Nigeria, our country. Make una come listen to waiting they happen about Ajeme me here. Koyoje no give. TikTok, power tap, may reach 100, my cut Facebook, may everybody just do the video for TikTok. So I'm still waiting. I am still waiting. TikTok, power tap, I guess 76 watching on TikTok, remaining 24 to complete 100. Then I'll cut Facebook, then more cut TikTok. Mona come here waiting a part talk. We bona kon ara kon na we ba kon abu wade wade akonga paneiro eja we boji. I go try my use oibote do the topic because of my mama wey dey here just now. He get one of my dearest mama wey dey this show today. Get one of my mama wey dey here today. My mama wey God go bless, no be Benin woman. And I don't know whether she dey hear Benin like that where. Because this program I Benin we supposed to do. I call this my mama whether she dey hear Benin like that. If she not hear Benin, then we'll run her with broken English. I have to call my mama first whether she dey hear Benin. TikTok power tap. I want 100 to be watching, 100. Let us go straight to this topic. Mama, good evening, mama. Body, I greet you, mama. How the family now? Thank you, mama. I see you say you join program today. God go bless you. Well done, mama. Is your husband? But you still okay, good. You did free today. Okay, you still dey watch me, Nabi? Okay, you hear say they say because of you I'll use English, but the topic I suppose use Benin, but I want to ask you whether you dey hear Benin. Okay, you dey hear Benin. Okay. Okay, we'll use Benin talker. All right, good. Okay, good. But mama, you dey follow me for TikTok? Okay, you know dirty talk. Wow, I be one just come up for Facebook now, go TikTok. Anyway, because of you, I'll leave Facebook. Even though they're not sharing them again, I'll leave Facebook because of you. Yeah, because I be one close Facebook now, go TikTok. So might leave Facebook, yeah. Yeah. Alright, no problem. So because of you, I not close the Facebook now, might leave them. Even though they not share again, might leave them. So might just go straight to my broadcast for two of them. Maybe they watch me for Facebook, okay? Alright, mama, no problem. Thank you, mama. God bless you, eh? Thank you, mama. Thank you, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, mama, love it. Talking. So now let me go straight to the show. I foreclose Facebook. But because of this, my mama, she's too dear to me. I know if it close Facebook. She must listen. If to say no be her, I suppose close Facebook, I'll come TikTok. But because of her, this woman why I just called now. I no go do one. Now, me will start the show. And waiting I call her people now. She say she dey hear Benin. Mama, not first say I call you ask you this kind of question, but it's good I should know. Thank God that you tell me say you dey hear Benin. You even tell me now say if you come out now Benin you dey go correct. So if you don't know me, do where akongarunu ana we bako. Akonrakpane iro ejawe boyi ejawa konyi. Emi no heke no agmona owe odenama eva van. Ologo ake lava son. Clear matter odenama eva van. A lava son. Azegbe uloko mae. A topic in maga ata tu onyame mobomi ame gbebe. Ya gumebe ka wo we say 2 weeks ago na ire babe na. O honore you ke no da fon ewu. No bio meva. nana mokbe ani yo tovo UK osabwa ma wa wuvegbe nege gi mami wu owoki mari toda koke money ma mari ve jato ma di agba ora me gba ori mo imori to yi ma o mari sedeyi le ni Jesus se eriyo kan abi anonu wa no ge na ina nerun eno oku wa ma sedeyi na osamwe kin are ni ma okwoni na tieme we epara mi ya we fe 01 uki baba la hoge mi no sunu 9 to 10 mosoje na ipin ya mu ukin ya mu ukigbe no da fiyen ipa ari awo a so kun pa no e woze ni na do no mo tana ege no da fiyen ya aragbon yen we o da fiyen omo wa ni raga stage yen ga ri so wa upin yen no ni ene dioma idioma adere ebowani voje. Somebody say stay Facebook, make we share. Thank you. We say mama, God bless you. Ije mere osayamabo igbis amokun bono teme ije nogie. We say je obota. We say kuwe kodafon iyobon wari be modina. Uji no gwada no gwebe okin alelo odafon okin kebu weji. We say je nogie. Now, enari the answer me inari no honi. Imado te answer ni in the public, but inamu topic inamu adi TikTok, inamu adi Facebook. Evo yana do a deliberate. Yo esona wo honi me right. Esona we me right. Adem ni kenga over Facebook me na iga sweme okeke na conclude. Okeke na azuze yo ma we majority win the vote. Onona iri ma ya teme na o. But a case na mama ye stand your for devil okwona ma eso wa no ka we yene eroda fie no pa area wa e document ye mari no but okwona tie me 3 days ago if I'm not made a mistake or 4 days ago pe anyway program ni we awe mami obo so e only way program na be otana if you don't know go me twin okwona wa tamame ogumegwa oga avie wo tie me 3 days ago yeah. Enawe mama ye ivie vosunu urena ogunye maire but any moment from now oya gumegwa in agare UK so I believe where oye woman or report even say maybe airport or wakwe ije eme no kwona tamame owe emata no egboda fie owe ni adie owa maybe emi ya ni aya wo no ke na wo kosokona amu iwo yo. Please, you are very free to call. Even you are on Facebook. Call on this program and just say your contribution. You people that is on TikTok, you are very free. But after I finish, I will also let us to know when to call and to contribute. My number is on Facebook here. TikTok, you just send me request. I'll bring you up. So, owe gboda fien o tian die owa yen ma vie imoyo awon yen so wa ne yan gun egun yan bejin you la me be no ya explain ma me imame rat ya nota imna ya ko se gbe ya opa be to ko no se ti ga we ajin you la me no pe no pa so then ojevo win ya be free yen we ke bank pa yen setting we le lo ma o te video yes or your te video have sacrifice ni o ya o owe so egbin yen we le yen o we tin so we le yen the first day ni pay the visit owe so after me ari we if na ne owo ire 2 days iwo ina we ti o tin va we va o tin va yen tie yes o tin va kiyen yan na ya gba be eha owo sin opa no we ke we bore erun din on na re o only why we are over that time only na we le yan agba we ne owo yen na ya to ero da fin e to ne ka ma baba iregbe yen ga re pa ni ya ba mo we bo e school na kina money yen wa sin ke o tin o family yen ni eru le ajihun na wa igie owo ere wa gbe ni wa come a broadcast in need near women there my truth you know owe jomana we in we say me that never take care never agba ori mo ini ahian esiesi ari agbonana yo wa bet no vie te ya pa si ya gbon yon te keke no pa no vie give mo ken gbin we but emi okparo na ma emi wa gbon de owe di won na ga toni owe yin to mi na ya console yon ibi a console e di won so after we di won yewe no mute ne after we di won yewe no mute ne owe na do no we baba get gu o word for me o wima owe edin ya language o word for me o wima ite we ni no ebo wana baba o ma no gwe owe din wa tase o ye tase we ra na de gbe no ero da fi na de gbe no de bo wa ni ye ha we na baba o wa na owe ero da fi na na we call me man igba wo tun ye owe tun ye gba wo na neyan ta we the reason ugugwale ebo wa na we na baba e run de mi ro pa iye o ni de yan be setting violele gbe da be ya vio ye bank won uwe hin no wan ne baba runde ejewe owa eje wana hamie we o daniel de border that oviye no guwe webo efe no mebe webo de ogin ni rakpa mana ni e yari e abe fi ni bodo a owo na ne ota ni we na we yin ma understand baba owo na de gbe ne we oviye no guwe webo usuguigo no me bazabi na duana ni etobie ya tutama na dinye viavigo ni rea ye vi bataria ye vi ukmorea ye mu moto aria we ni emugima ebuwa beni etebena na ye ma ewe ovie no bu go me gbebu wa na ne onye na nwa owege ne paibe ya igbedo we na ibe de gbe ne power baba ogezo somebody say wait I dey put people off for TikTok. Baba eogezo yen ya ire owera na we uyogezo re umayogezo re o na wa oni de kene document na ji an de ne de bie baba owe jon wa aka owe jon na we e need de ro that owana no re manana is for the family that ejinye imeva no bie no wiye dia na ho wi ade ni ado tutaye ma we tin ayi kewe boderu do wana owo wana re ma ni ado tutaye dia na be wi in aga wina ma owo agwale wina ya na mi wina owo they should come and stay here owo werin ano owo ke no na owerin a owo ba na ogunye owo ba o na be owi ti o owo ti ha ma na we na gwana owana is for the family. That owana on a property na do mie we o ado ka wa hwe o ado mu ehie o ado we ni modo mu o we no o we because efo odafie efo vie no rewebo da ye make ma pa na o rather ivie ro pa make ma pa ni awi ahia ya so ayefe ni so wana no vie boy wana is for the family but ana ye mie we TV e di owa the house is also here for them to come and live in. That this is the answer ni emene ohuna we pa yitemena owe ve na gwana owe me ma yigin yita owe zegbe na zin owo tin ori tapien we ni awapa ni agboyo kin aze pe ni baba we yan adegbere if you don't know me this is how this woman said they left the father-in-law enohuna tie me bitamame na hina viedo na ukpo me no ni vedo mu adie ma cause emena mama su for me yo bege ni ama hem ne dioma ta bo yaga ata na wa ma ne dioma ata eso wa ma ohuo ni mera eso na wo ohuo ni mera iviedo ohuo notary ne or not a bere ne o we have at least on TikTok now we have almost close to 120 watching on TikTok. We have 200 people plus watching in both channels. So please, if you want to contribute, the platform now is open for anybody now to contribute on issue like this. Please, if anybody is contributing, come and say your opinion. Right to there is a way you will say your opinion. Everybody will pick. Because if you do we na me bagmo e ayaziri. Emi masunu dawa o ma mi ya bo ma de. Ma ya teme na be derio. E so na we e di on right o ko ni ma right e me da no ya ne document order for owe property why. But mama em ne di on ata now e di on have now replied. E di on where he should forget about the property. That property is just there for them. If the children want to come home, in waiting ahin do awun in Nigeria be do ni ade ado to tayiva. Error very oni. That property is just for days. It's a family property. So if you do ena ukpo men hey obotaje mommy progress ena ukpo men no nive mweme na nive mwa ade TikTok nive mwa ade Facebook na gboya do edo we aheme nwa obo wa yokme o wa gbon. Somebody say no, the age man is not right. Somebody say no, the age man is not right. Okay, so aware the age man is not right. Mama love it agme yirai. Somebody say what? Mama love it agme. Mama love it say abeg. We mama Susie o. Mama Susie o. So anything on wala na gwayo de baba be right of a man. Wo ma be right. Ni mahaya me wan. Agmofi weri ene. Abe mo na power for me for TikTok. Mo na power for me for TikTok. Hello, somebody talk for TikTok. He me wa low voice. Ima gwa wana sin. Oh, wa guye wa low volume. Ima wa gwa with TikTok sin. Wa guye.
Good evening, boss.
Wa de guye me wa low volume me sin. Wa low eva me wa volume. Mona forgive me for TikTok. Mona apologize. I beg. Mona forgive me. I beg. Wala wa guye. I beg. We not go rush am one by one person. I beg. May we understand wetin we want talk for this program this evening. Wetin happen so. So, who want first talk?
I feel talk. Good evening.
Who want talk so?
Good evening, bros. Now me I feel talk.
Truth is bitter.
Bros, good evening. I feel talk.
Who can wait here bomb me now?
No, I'm not cursing you, bros. You know, senior man, I'm not cursing you. No.
Where? Una amogi amerobi ma we do pade.
Papa, may you forget it. Papa, forgive me, no verse.
We ma say no gbinani me wieke ma ka ti e bonu wa mu mero una wa arobi ogi ameru direct talk. Obota woye na.
Papa, no verse.
No problem, brother. I greet you. So go aye me na. All right.
Bro, like this matter we bring console, Benin Esan make parable say before you ask what you kill or pack your man, you know what you do back up.
Yes.
You understand? Like that woman she get right to ask for her husband document property because not be only your husband, not be only your husband go toss nice go and let me build that house. Because the woman get the part when she for support the man.
God bless you.
You understand?
Yes.
You'll be like when the man they build, for example, the man you get the investment when man they do now. He get the way go take bring money come ask when the woman go say, okay, man they manage and so yes. So maybe the woman not see money can't come and give the man. You understand? Like the way you talk, say no insult a part.
Yes, I beg.
No, we're not go insult her. But me go talk say now family. The man inherit he picky property. Okay. Now picky supposed to inherit you. You understand? It's very wrong for the man to talk that thing. For the old man to talk that word. It's very wrong.
Okay.
You understand? Now let God know what he kill
the picking. Yes.
So if the woman know what he good for her, make him not ever let these two children born give the man throw leg get out of that house. You understand? If the woman really know what is good for her, if he love her children, make it not allow her children. Even say maybe the children they Europe, the house in Nigeria, for example. Even say the children reach Nigeria, make they not throw leg enter that house.
Imagine.
Make they not throw leg enter that house. Because if they throw leg enter that house, anything when kill their papa, go see kill them. Because they feel they think say the children want to take over their father property now. You understand?
Yes.
Because now Benin to make parable say before you ask what you kill your papa, you know what you take back.
Yes.
You understand, bros? So for me, I just tell the woman say, make she leave the property because on the other way, you just make parable say,
go. That's true.
You understand?
Yes.
So make the woman forget about the property. Make she focus on her children. The children go build the one we pass that one when time come.
Yes. People they praise you for Facebook, say you are talking good. Yeah.
You understand? So the children go build the one we pass that one. You understand? When as is the rate that time they see 3-bedroom. Now we see they call this another pattern of house.
Now they call the C. That's true.
You understand? Another different pattern of house, different pattern of roofing. You understand? Different pattern of this glass window. So for me, I'll say make the woman yourself feel lock up. Make she focus on her children. If you love her children, if she and say want me the children last past their papa when he die, so you understand, bro? So that's what I have to say.
More wisdom,
you
brother.
Understand?
More wisdom. You
Double
really
bros.
try. Respect. You really try, brother. I bet who get what you want talk oh. Obuta wa agrima gwa euro money no a.
Men no rolling no. Zege wa wala wa egwini wa iwari iwu na zege wa gwa. We shebi ya na tewa beta me bros na wa beta na ya ni na. Baba wa bros na wa to.
Why ya me wisdom. Yeah, on wisdom.
Why ya kaka because na tewa beta wa we dey we anyway e wu no ra gbo okun go. Ofo ni gini me bros na type but when ivie money na wa ni. Kini pana it no why awu be na ita where one nigga oriano give ya do ta
ero da fon idiomata yeah
ero da fon ni mi we o one ya claim enipa to beg o one man claim enipa oriyan no so we won by ko forget say si be ye kezevidan so when by ko gbo to no that my be ni say ni am sure we one ya be bobo say o be do so one ni the person that type. So to go back to that family again, say we here see you want people 1 year. We only why we never forget because so no when we were a man we take one. If you have been also my contribution my people. I work anyway. 2 minutes.
Yeah, I worry am where you want to finish go for na am where you face call. Okay ma, water. Okay mama, mama, I go we no butter. Maybe yeah no my move yes because I get go say phone we lare o ma. Go mama.
Hello. Everybody una good evening. Yeah butter.
Call mama.
So era mama ti yo bo. Ama we no do tie bon eti o ma but even it ma na eti jegu ma ni bia no la na we ya. Ona do ri o bon yo wo dori. Obie. E do we ga bi o mo bi o ma.
Yes.
Obie o le mo. Although we mona in the Africa do the Virginia, they are vanity upon vanity. But even the amount in which your mama will say, it's your mind, no, my way said your man, no get good. Era to make fruit, I very many. And then era make it bad, or tell me nothing. Never no any 4 flat is all broke back. And the non get back, don't buy pay yan ivie. Ivie may want, they are just in primary school, not your my less secondary school. Don't pay ya. Even the Beniak, the family, the village in here, can be a Korean yak,
only boy, Imano, yet it told Imano, yeah, when you're here.
Because of how the Silocoros in the who yak minaji. The Jamak Bina Yukovia, Ishi Lawo. The Jamak no now, my way say. A woman, if ye did to stay your warning, points of correction. But the woman want to, that's what say an ivie. I cannot be a woman, be a penny, I will over. When a family like will, they should stop this. In my own right, in my village right, in what I learned from my dad. Ni have been a woman. She knows said you have because she knows say like to the father go live there. You know why talk where say back where where do I hear book me na you or woman over UK.
Yeah.
You see what they happen? Remember the right to now we down. Only me, ya egbe will yo egbe leki. Oh mama domosa wa ya we.
Thank you. Wesi. Doroli gwimagwan.
Mr. Ajebor.
Doroli.
Baba domo.
Doroli ogwan, Doroli ogwan bi?
Yes, sir.
Gwimagwan obota.
Where say Epa Ajebor domota?
Wesi my brother.
O ato wa mosi.
Iseo. Kewe.
Domo baba. Ike meme okpa de hiata wala denisi wakpa. Owe emane mojeme o emani maso
vele ba etima.
Emani maru defi gbo ma waro dagaga wo
Amwe feri wa.
Agbona na do ba se.
Agbon we se aye.
Unweda yave na agbona na ri to
egbe.
Wawese ni wa to wa musi. Oya mesi mwana first and foremost number one we dene na eriro. I do we no mi ri ewuri no ma. Obama na defo. Obama mi no we pa. Obama ona defo. Ìjọba ya pita wo we kokoro to je fo lára fo lo wa. Edona permit do we emi no gbeken oruweke. Yorùbá yẹn ní ká we kokoro to je fo lára fo lo wa. The insect that is eating the vegetable is in the vegetable. Moya me teme nana. Edo we alerun no mo nera to se we se omo idomo no mo mo kegbi yen we. Now you are there or you who we. By so doing this, if you don't mayakin, we already know kenemerie. But let us not go into nitty-gritty. Because you as a father, or you woman we be, that means you were never saddled or you were never sad. Or be in a condolence mood that omonu we be. All you need to do wagmina you win or yawa. Unwe do ikenu we agbe wagmo. Do you even know do na we do ari ore wakwe? Osabo anya onya de. Na okbiana no wu omomo everything momo. By right and by custom and tradition is do. You don't even omakege we make you wela wawani.
People get wisdom. You want me wisdom? Go ahead.
Where you wela wani. Where you wela wani. Don't wawani we na don't wawani we je maybe your mona when me don't want lele do. Ona aro we maybe ye na wo. Ede na awe me nekpe eda era oye pa wani emu amuya pa yo ware. Amuya pa yo ware. Let alone we are you who more. Do we grage away ever where pa we na we na we akwe data again no because the thing is that even a joma can agbo yoto na ihe awulo la gbo ne kan fo woto dedemede joma kan agbo yoto na
moteri huoma bagbon
because edenakwe thank God okwoni we of your money bane and the money one iya de wo biawo and they are never coming to that house wetin ya do you ko one on kene de one na we dey yare ya mare ukweri ya no matter what ukweri ya no iya rire o iya donye wani o ya madonye o ukweri ya no it is their birthright. It is their birthright. A birthright ya no ade gun ya simie Inyariye boni ya mareo ukweri ya no abegun ya simie si sori deveri yone edioma me no ye kinya bo ya ka yoko azetu we go me bia ka negie no ye keko when every money la wani God forbid na do me we no sunu dari ya
ye ma we fi mo ye Nigeria yon pa wa be afian
rudo wani so a money rowa. They are not after those. They are not after that house. Thank God, they mona be a webo. Otiti no diado bojowa.
forget about it.
Yes.
Let's be realistic to ourselves.
Yes.
Iye do boy you holiday no.
Yes.
Say maybe when you do you why we
Is
impossible.
It's impossible. Yes.
It's impossible. Emona abia mana or by 10 years in after university or move on with the life again. Is I could remember one of my uncle Emana because I live in UK. The very day that the girl graduate in school, do you know where right from me after that graduation? Daddy, I'm moving on with my boyfriend. We are moving to America.
Straight off.
The man was crying. At least look at so one. When me hear do what he finished school so they are moving to America. Come where the man was crying right the school one. That the ego money was school now. She followed her boyfriend. They moved to America. So, Africa. But let's call
it spade.
And the Diomawu is absolutely wrong. It's absolutely wrong. Let us not sacrifice the truth in the altar of friendship. And the Diomawu is absolutely wrong. And Diomama say, or Mawe say, and beside that, there may be where if you're no hama wearing agua, no matter Maria work in the Diomado, Ekida Diomado is absolutely wrong. And Benobe Tota, no Makame Dioma Unim and the Diomani Unim down. Because the thing is that also know that they can't even then they are all happy. Yeah, I make book for you back. That's when you know where is so painful. No matter what, where you know, you don't even have absolutely right to even take what does not belong to you. First and foremost, no one hour then what makes you think who when you want sota? What is the possibility who we are to book where we are you want sota? And how will you feel if you have a conscience? I'm sorry to use that word. How will you feel? We allow one then you have the net, the effort,
Where's my brother? Now we go, we carry we go on. Where's all you day your head, brother? All you day your head. Where's it? Omoro giver. We mag go ijima ero du kusige mommy love it too.
So now I call
yes.
Mr. Ajebor
Obota doesn't know anything. Mawama baba wato.
Yes, sir. So, Ediowani, because of what I call, but with the Lovi Korean, money Korean,
Mani Ovi Korean.
It's just an individual. It has nothing to do with the Kenoke. It's just an individual.
At all. He has nothing to do with
yes. We're telling about where they're not soon, and they're not soon. It don't have it, don't want to our
but if I need your money, Castegi tele with the we boo.
It happened in Benin, even from our village, or one of our state, because you can't know why the man. So now we had to buy a portrait. Don't have we now. So that very day, I didn't worry. Every night, you just stay. And secondly, Ejoma decide that is what
Ejoma yes, so tanu no one no say. We no ya gwan Ejoma decide cause edeni guana. Oye be after me aya we ni aune. Iye ri bo Ejoma arewa. Probably Ejoma pa kin arewa there amatic egbe. So Ejoma wa reply the woman. Yes.
One minute, please. The decision that you want taking is very, very wrong. So, okay, that's the first question. You want or this side. And the second question,
Emana Power bien in the UK, my very bien. Sorry, Okona Babian in the UK.
Property of the we will call it what you quick a message where one or the guy.
Okay.
Why you discuss all our
Ebo wago da for
we both a woman you have baba die of your man have you area webo. So it only right. Over the kunweni la the instant egbe seconds will our be na pass a fast of work bien and demand. They are not with vibe and na protected the document of the property. Because I don't buy I'm working. A fast way rock bien the money. They don't every right at all. Once of only one on instantly all our be bene. Every no, except we don't like your make bene. Don't make an ivie belly, one or the TV any candy rover. Or we may audio for Tirado, we may near Avibo of a bill to Toby, but so also built to high Valore Valley. Near Avio Vene, so you will what Wally Bonagua, 1 minute over 100 vine. I don't say we are river, don't you say it. No, we are a boy will be in Vione. Oh, no breaking of your give you so they John down Honia, so the man who knows you by because Oman in USC, Osabwa get sending Oyakwa, Osabwa you buy oil by a day. So the man who Osabwa you buy a day, we no Zabo, no via a bowie, a boat of any, no post a. Instantly, no post egg here. No property. So no la idiom or if you don't want to then I was again when the John make a night talk. So
we say Baba, you are me, we say. Arriva, you may love it or Gumagua.
My brother again.
I bet Mona power tap for me, Mona power tap. I bet for this topic, I bet. I power tappy.
Anyway,
where my yard waist is there, Jay?
Yeah, do you know my joy? A journey one day. When I saw now, when no. It was like one no, so that one can of your way, even
that's all. That's all.
Because they told me, no, that's a girl go, no, when again, no. When I get where out near Yakia,
where so now be ata war eligbe or eligbe again, no imagine.
Here ma take as one of them. That is so but what so the regard do I mo fia la 17 ya okwevie more me model we vie more ni ado to we ko be regulate ticket of your move your area agbamzale we na we a love the edereba my brother we are telling you and the we here no no wa tawe no je because the matter na do ya tena no we can ya go bia ga plan life na e and if we no vie kwakada wa we gbobo we other for me for flat and for me hotel wa you na lane if you plan me near Italy here thank God against fire no ne when a cycle to gba we mo e more kino ma e UK or ko gwale nwina o ye 4 hours o ya so le de
yes sir
e ni ye ni Italy ki ko ne ye
ogbogbo nu na kin weseje no oma weseje agwe magun dino 007 no a
hello padomo
obota o
wadomo agree the aso
they ask with you
yeah. I really feel sorry for the woman anyway. Everything with my brother and my mother and daughter, I really appreciate. But there are sometimes, it needs to assume, this one will be a lesson for everyone.
Everybody, yes.
You know what I'm saying? And for say, it needs to run when the thing just happened, you I don't know the relationship with the man and the woman and the man. That's the father of the late guy. You don't understand. He needs to know. With time, una waga ide close in there. Una use idea ya no where we bury her. But she's right to. But people would think we're in window or wani or mue. You don't understand. In wani or what day after 4. Now, right. Anything we man get, as far as say, oh, no, it belongs to the woman. the reason why they talk my late uncle, no see me ramen, but when I think he died 2000, you know understand? Owa keke, especially Owa, every night dumu.
What is good about what you did now?
You know understand? And then the issue yidere, you know understand? They don't come many who
Dr. Rolly, I'm you to.
They were very young. Odion were Nore community near Kosodi. They can't get to split the community into two. Now, Ada Iragwal of Yenodion here, we are Afana, Oteruwari Wani, Obowafune, Otonokba, Yahian Fiobola. You know understand? Nokba, Onaiti, the senior son. On a way, Ikaviti, where Derio, Otorani Norivani, Umaiti no aware, you just neglect them. One irrevocable, wide, if not friends, just conference some. May they know say this land is still there in existence. You know understand? We Otona Amawa neglect. You know understand? What they try to talk. Only on having within the family nije. When you kaya taking here. You know understand? She for soft will carry her head come out. Any man kamana. The family nita. Uga no. He had lost to man. No. He had lost to man. Oye omanagbe. You know understand? The both sides they lost person. Both sides they lost. As the woman just finished the burial. You just suffer just pack at. Then she'll make relationship with the family. As all of us this, so all of us this, so all of Monabia, no one they go Africa.
Mommy mute. Epa mute mommy no.
Okay, a mommy love it.
That go repeat to Baba.
Okay. Mute any. Wow, what's again?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Waiting I just they try to talk. Both man and woman, there are some things you need to first save your head. Or maybe not so know that the man. Your best part, you don't go play him. You don't go give him. The best you can give him, wish him well. Then we have a mihun very babibari. That's your priority. Then we buimon we basia. The property in Mawatana. You know understand? It's just like a normal thing where on average we will cover a TV bowa. You know understand? Normal bobo. I even where you talk. You know understand? It is a lesson for us. We pre-made this kind of thing. No, I put again. You know understand? If me I was to know my sister or my brother, I finish it and they just have to pack your things and leave. The family we really they feel for you. We about them now they go call you. Why so why ever do I about that but soon why get them now they will call they worry you. They go really know say you not there after the property. After the property. A property now when it be like any other thing. Now we were there abroad, they look like I beg unugba jeno waviye. We are you wabania. Money where you spend to go repair us. Where do I think sometimes I just go stay. You know understand? So the best thing where the woman go just do, let her just relax her mind, make everybody just eat out of her, make she ignore. Don't have to me baba sorry we it when you want to know it may go so nowhere. Nobody know. My brother, this life I do.
It's possible.
Brother, bokia waya bota.
Obota.
Wala wo. Kwani okpani elino sunu ni nana.
Iwaba, maybe I learn in you.
Yes.
Umabege can a brody man in a made a mistake. Then in my yari jena. Nene be or no trust toma a be wona majone. When I cajo wa vio a benire. Una ivio or when do vio a leve mana. Do ma no boca webe vio a lay. Woganugenia dot banabi waga guale me here. Iaga mio. Because I wear autosimioma now was in your but why jirewe. So, mana ni be wina de tin de makiari wina risk imagine ni buwa igo ni yabe ya hun egbode ogode eyan na mi go ni wa ri yan pa yan ga risk be ge ni ma ya ipa owe ni yan mi go ma be ge mi pa yan ta agbe no wese no ma e brother ni no we ni ra de total you why mi dan be wu e standing no be ya nebe. A right say no na nebi because some of them ma be no biani because other the year we bona bana you pari koke mo hian o mari onu poni a we regbe yari o wa no ya mi ebe vene mo na hiera na ije ira hie mo bo e Nigeria ni so obiere mate we mi dan when a baba no vie bene where because all give ye no daji. Emi okpa no okoni ono the ame face ye we baba yon wani re because era wa no oke dowu or rebani but e no we vie be no bo kan okono bi omo ne we on the family
omugo yo na be le we register with yan wa ho
oi vie bene e baba eti gu ba ho e ma be ya vie bene
okay
o wa no kogi mo pa o ti di ma o hin ibi ere webo so wo na ma de make o ma make mistake o wa o si o to si mi o ma but wo na ma make mistake no wa la wo we bi e bu wa agaro wa the journal the yanwa anytime wa riri ya jo wa be mi o ma no the jo wa when ya view egu wa dey ya ile ya we be fake jo yan na tin but original one igu wa anytime wa ti view e la wa view e le be mana du wa mana o no bi wa bege ni e no wo kun wa o a wo wa bege do pe bi wa go ale mi se ba yen do view e la tin we iji yen e gbe mi be ri ona wo e pe e start one am dey wrong go bro mama mia.
Hello, my good time. It's one, yeah.
What's it?
I'm a tea go on.
Go ahead.
When me have tayo, boni me be lage o. Where me no see nepa mana o no if you been no kuoni. Maybe o hamwe where oga vie oga yowa oda way. Iya river maybe dioma omaya oki ove no totally but even in medegi we at least there may be ohuoni all the time dioma woman we no jina din ai you tell lawyer because of ye obowani we okay erinye aro sufome no knowing where emia isunu wode but when emigi sunu nenania te dioma wo for me te dioma wo no vie beni o ha no mo dioma we o wona ga hi wa bi yari that's another thing you understand so for me e dioma here me TV property ne ore data of eriyo ya e play but the woman should still have patience with the man no ore me no here soon wo down. You understand? As far where the whole family, dog I bokagbe at this point of time, so I believe where the whole family anywhere, this is the rightful owner of the property. You understand? But maybe because even so, the woman maybe mameti think where any might know ya but even so meti okay. A family na maybe yagba winye. Ve Germany wa ye we bani e Germany ragba winye here why you we don't know. Even know maybe might you understand. So I'm sorry not but mama ni nore bo wani. On your water noro.
Now
Amani no ro de nye jamaro de nye brosi no wu oro.
Okay,
Mommy die ho wa me na.
Sister no kwa bani take the answer.
One of guy nye jamaro. But as far with your man anywhere.
Answer ne Ajebo. Sister umale di masmo umale di masmo.
Wa me na Ajebo ya gun aban owe that edi won tawe owani owe gbe ino.
Eriyo Jonata, yes. Wadame iji man orodu kunge iji mage mama love it or Maria Bass one or go or win a reply.
Also the someone understand umale di maswe they man even where you analyze it they take when a power have no know any eri man do ka we owive dakpana ege aga ite pampana gagba o remove
It's a different thing.
Maybe oham with pa that epa any man analyze it man your tato bo in fact a go upon the epa ga no we ewi no rewebu
No quit yourself.
They no high where efenobi efere webu ye made the no way
Eriyo Tony.
Okay. Ajebor, ona even no man, believe me. It's the one what they told me to go back when the one again no. When I get there anything, I said to my love the money. If we so right, can you now you broke by your talk, be a man to your broke by your talk. Excuse me. We don't hold in your life better. When I get no. Imagine you man oba go mo see me ogwana o wa ye ye o ma be ti ke ivie leki when no gahia get worry evi ya ma irewa evi ro pa sunu onyo ejonwa omuja yoko na yeke ogi to fione o ma gi fione o ai we ogunase ona life
me that no yata we no here we no worry me a family as no.
No,
messing me who be man, give one mommy, Maggie one what then a cannot tell me if you moji enough to one wagon news one me again with 90s. You get time when I go that money was 18 naira, 20 naira. And not to when I mommy I gave me a cannot tell me my late sister Viemishi. It gave me guide you book to your 20 here. The West me not to your way. Die no die na lagbote wa eva wa koko ya demi ejere we niga ifo fi wa we because it yon not to talk away maybe a romo awa no we be set away ho na me we wan na ya de pure water ma we niga wu awa we won ya
because in Nigeria wa we na wa we se nu wa
ya ze ge na jebota pa lao Ajebor ujere we ma be tele na be go bo we vege ni imedu ye nesistani mana we nuka ne no na be we de te mani bo wani we baba ibo wa janu nuwa
otoni ba owo wo da fin no owo ma bo wa de ya ne no wo da fin
no bia ni mana gi vie bia de we bo ne na wa trust de ye na vie bo e benera
o se na even matana no na keke no ga ibu ni ma na gbo
Don't be surprised where a pap or doctor ni a pap wani do say maybe don't say the film maybe the man was always going or sending money.
Yeah, a party boy, but the man was the one sending the money.
So the thing is that it never becomes
maybe
at least either one person or the other in my trust, maybe where I trust a Baba or trust a Ram or trust a no go back. You won't suspect anything where was why am here, why am because you know me.
Yes.
I don't know if you get it.
You are right.
Okay, because I'm here so no mudiane mo
Eriyo na waje na ibo na piara man ye ga ewu.
Yes. or money later we buy. You might be able to buy the baby and all of those. Or am I a 2 hair work your tiano jono? A baba hair will and all of those. Even if a baba arrive it. But for the fact that we're Mogi wound, for you to even say where, no. The thing is that one in a damn way, we're not of your woman baggy. No yale nekweni.
Because according to the fact that the Kenyan women are not no way, they property no that way, they ain't no any.
The property no way.
Owe filmi no rewebo igo no baza imoto ibata yima no. Ona be test video owe di morning. They think you don't want to Nigeria do win abedo or where they should come and stay. You understand? Where they should come and stay. What Birani or where that house is there is a family house. So one is a family house. Yeah, that was it. So probably a Joma sim you one here if you away is a clear of the matter. So we don't market him a bit round the bush. You know anything because a Joma na can I say 10-15 years if more. So he is seeing a property the away.
Automatically, Joma is already seeing the house as an Igiogbe. That's a family.
Any house is a family house. That's what he said. That's what he said.
Hello, Epa Ajebor. See, this issue is a clear issue. Let's have any way we take the feed the pain. If the woman the year, make she hear. To be frank as he said, let her be wise, and it's a lesson for everybody.
For everybody, yes.
Tell her, do what we communicate. Tell her, you will not have my sorry, my brother. If you know what take property, they
very right, so.
You may feel where we born at Tana, my brother. If you know what people can do,
because of
property. I will say she seek advice before she go. She for not ask.
Voice they cannot know. Watana viedo. Anyone want better for 1 second.
May I finish? Go ahead. May I tell you one thing? Not be say she ask. Say the vessel. No, bro, you don't know what to keep the picking with the ass. You don't understand. Let the ass be there. They don't finish any. He give her the maximum respect. Epa Ajebor, my finish me and when they cannot borrow, the meredo bunya, she go pack at she go come out. Bro, Omaro me no or ten can we bury, Other work do a man wa for God so kind or take plan in here and bought you anyone. You don't understand. A Baba said to me, Wani, the get story we have for talk, I get to story we have for talk, I don't know. Sometimes even we are test stories to one where many people not go attack you. People are going through spiritual and anything.
My team. People can go extra left. People are so people are so
demonic. When this life can't be now, why you're
you only know yourself.
They are work we are begging where who can be where you took Momosa. At this point.
No, a matter now, if I not say Agualo, a matter now, I also bring this topic, now the time beside the so the man have advice where if you
Aguan, it didn't allow it didn't Aguan.
But no root.
Okay, what you Aguali me?
If I Agualo, they are on the line because I also bring this topic to my platform.
Okay, again, may I time do ya on a platform you okay, go ahead.
If that woman love her life, you should just stay away from that
property.
Where the man will never give up that property. When you work at times, because in the white I did, you know, where him looking after where is just know where that house belongs to him. For that woman to come from abroad, oh yeah, I've been and you want me. If she love her life and her children's life, she should just stay away from that property.
That's it.
Let me make correction. Let me make correction, Madam Ruth. Point of correction. This is where we all are getting it wrong. Wagyagbodden atemata. Uguna mahiari yo ene. Just we runa na tose de ye no. And ave neru ne rege jemio enoke koma yahu. Now eto ko ni yagbina ni ye property. Oma yagbina okona mwigojo hu na hin. Okona ya we register now. Do you know if a woman have commit herself to be said I'm your wife? Then now it not belongs to Okona who to yagbina yo. Okay, gyaka weni ya na re UK e manata. Gyaka wo Okona e worry e yaji wana redu. Wa etikesi we be monarch yaji school they property na need then afi ni monarch ya survive ya. Ni ana re webo ana bonye na benya. The truth of the matter, of your man, woman, before Kessie Mogbe, the woman has right to ask for that property. It's a clear issue. Agbon wek bag boma wek benatana no gboma egua.
We are looking at this issue from the physical perspective of it. We are not looking at the spiritual aspect of this issue. We are looking at this issue from the physical aspect of it. We are not looking at the spiritual aspect. Of it. First and foremost, if by tomorrow now, okay, adomowa lokoni, odoso amio deku, odoso amio mi no ma miede, odoso amio temptation upon temptation no ma miede, which she never expected. Which one do you prefer? Is it also one near offensive family, offensive ivie, bella? The thing
is that brother, we're not yet getting the point. Exactly. Nobody is asking her to go and fight over the property.
No, we know she's not fighting over the
No, brother, let me land.
What legitimately belongs to the children?
Please, sir. Because this matter now had two ways here. Okay, fine. The way I take it, now we again no. Okay, yabe no probably me no nani manani ani remania. Okay, please, in time I'm so happy we be a good one. La wo ni anona. Okay, Kenya we my yaya we bona. Okay, I will cook I will be an abbe or maybe I might go me be betia be lenegmine. Okay, Kenya koko awe mi jowa. No pone ani go pago piani no ya na ya.
God bless you.
La brother, okay.
The question.
Why they are still together or me and segbe and we can
when they are together.
Okay, Kenya van wina no kwari go page di man na ya we mi jowa. Okay, Kenya.
Of course.
Hello, madam.
Okay, we are going to what is up by Gabe that a family where do can wear email right.
Another thing again. If they may be a baby on us, okay. Marco Kukbe Ayabo Wadi. First and foremost, in the first sister, find out from the man, they need already landed property.
If you are doing the mayor,
Dr. Roli. Oh no, Ekenonana Bameto Bimene moderator Odi. They take your my with Bella Jana me when you Jomaro of a Gabegi. A Joma Meta Nani a big way a big a Joma wo wana no remana. Or where this is a family house. Or where the I need to wana re when I do to Nigeria and Gualuna Bedo, or where they can be living here. Or where bet error video. This is a family.
They can be living there. They can be living there. They can be living there as a family house or their father's house.
When my baby, when you young woman, Tamu now. Where are you in Oladia there? Idenege. Ona ye be tabai. Ona ye be tabai where efe owo vie no rodo yen ma be no o itue ma be no na we viore ono eve de ota imoto igo no raza na te here video this man said what I never I am not there in no pona water na I'm not there awun agun ye
Beno okay idam yo sin even with that line
wapa watap me wala o wapa watap
come with the matter even so na we nege no o manona no iyan we ubege alerun nira den bioma
venere sauve lerun o ije sauve lerun ni en yuwiyan o ni
your mother
yes eradan ebo eradan ga bioma e result na mi wo woke kie na hina ije dan ga bioma na legbe danre e result na mi wo na hina
yes
because o wanero ma bo o atete igi ogbe oh, one no more born way.
God bless you.
Ewe. Okpa gari agwa. Ateleru no more kawe na kawe ni homo. No more kawe ni ho ke nera o ije. Odo sunu neveriana. Ma mema blame the woman where on no ese because oma na no e guilty ni. Only you worry the woman they go. Because I don't know any e banye don awek beni e biena.
That's it. God bless you. God bless you.
Maya ni rema na. Iya we de no gbe ba kwe. Ene so ni ye rema na keni dan yo. O eti be sunu da akpa bu wi ma ba kwe. O yi ya kwe. Because iya we omonoka mie ahenti katota ahenti temoe oeti sunu we vi mebowa ebowa me otenwo ga agwe ije megi David dokpa ona do ve bowa ni we bed wo woteme ona wa kom we bowa ni ona ya munu vije ona ya munu viera
ona mule
ona wa ya munu viera Obiera ni ebo wa me go for almost 18 years. No, 17 years. Okay, wu. Ogi wa wu. Ivie ema ya ni mwe property ye ke o. Okay? The landed property ye ke o. Okay? Ivie on kumeni, ina wati da doge we gege wa dovie mi wa. Veni jeme ya mwe bogwa, veni ya ti jeme na ti me. Mewe me ka ne jeme wa. Ije afa. Owo angi si ayo wa o because he only dey sure. Dey bogwa me gele go e wa because anything can happen here ti say. So me ai ne jeme ije afa na. Ogwe ere ni normal ogwo tin yen iwoke. Edenero ma ni edenotio eni wu ibi e wa ti jeme. Ijeme na ti me. Omo no dia webo a. Ebe na ima ono bi ogwu yen na degbe. My mother was sick. They were born me so.
Abije no ma ye mie. Ovije no ma ya yiro.
Omatame my brother. Omatame my brother okekpa you worry. Only gi no ewe worry. Ogwinye de ogwomode awe marking when because in a manner they aggressive ti succeed them in all yawo so ye one ni e friend face yen no make na pa you worry eroya amwebo wani so lucky osioda from Enoria Island ona arowa eriya osioda from ogwe gwalomatie.
That's a good mother.
Ebo gwana do de na do mi ye
beg me
na do mi ye
ije no ma
ye ma no eriya da from na we epageo ni do ma o maroba no itigwima imwemire me mateme we osio around ona woke eriyo ya gume kolosio eni epala wowo gume ya mije mo na mi epana wasemi no wo ai nene epa ona semi no wo ai ije me walawa oteme wadayi you understand then you know that you wakede or get the code in where you know so no understand wadayi oni na wo give one nye gwe we wo ko dia so yeah o so lo ba na maybe no ya we ni we maybe ogwije me wo eti boligi o mi je me o maka boligi we tinya amwebo wa but iya we mi na ma u se
yes
so egene onku yare na osio da fun me be no waya so bovuro o teme wa pe music o wa de kwa me ri oko wa Ere mama ya mwebe. Called that for me wa we se ola mune
budo
wa me ogweme.
Ina gwana go.
Ekene location go wa meje. Aga kiwe imaya yidi a survive. Imaya yidi a yore. Ba kiwe yomoru. Ovo ma gume simie.
Beg me.
He survive because any okpa no same you.
No.
People feel get it, but ekene location ye all matter.
Yes.
E brother ni ya gume mo ebo wari. We are good we. Owe ije me ohin temo pa. Owe nye me de no gbin. Nye mo we o wa nu je gbo bi okan ya bo.
She's a good mother, that's all. Ije no mano. Go ties. That's just the truth. Ije no mano. That's it. Yes. Imagine.
Ya ugbeso ya zegi jeme. Ijo ma gbeso ero ma gbeso ya offend o ma, but to beg on emi ni jeme uni. Oboga because a meji me ma settle because a pressure sorrow. Na de Roma, I want you ma muje. Who surprise the way Etienne di man. Or more pressure ye bed yoma.
Yeah.
Etienne my so raw. Iye botia.
Enore joma ko e joma wu. Because
no ya. We mi nore ko e. O ma de joma ki.
The only thing that will tell you because mama all this song when they na lagbe yo gbere na ya we am my lagbe na yakbe. The only advice you will just give to that woman is don't work on my way. You should forget about that thing because you have to put your back when no do you when you understand when you because
when you
right from the beginning, you know, I was the one that said that that man the F9 to remember that topic.
Yeah.
So this when I went to my own side, you know, I'm way topic in that but so many suggestions were just like popping up. Where only ragon or Walini. Only our Salobane go only go back where Niado Bebane, Obane, Owa, Naye Kayam. Who will take care of that children?
All right, let me quickly ask us this question. When Mahia China, because Mariana Tavinyana, it means like or in my time. Let me ask this question this way. No now one mana teme na Vinyana. Or if for example, a sister where a location a property ye. Usaya boy give me so that we imagine you survive. My year do my mind no ye nanika. Giame we e hotel o mo opiana bobambana awano gwana menogwana ma we be no pa area wa. That property belongs to the next person okoni okonomi go yokono ya we register. Then excuse me please mama egwe. Then now when all this we na agboya do aka we no say ane we na get ino or we no wa le or sunu we abi no na wa or you water, I'm not it may refer to hotel now. Hotel of water be 800 million, I be 1 billion naira. La what you want yo.
Okay, Pania body. You see, hotel, as a hotel, that's a business.
Okay.
Or market family, or market can wear.
Okay.
Your lawyer will handle, your bank will handle. All your own. So just go there now you get her. And that way more to not they exist in today. They not exist.
Those are not going to include the wife.
My understand on me. Okay.
So what are we
talking about?
This thing a lock.
Well, a man on our hotel man in a bar. Ugbesera wa be contrary a ball contrary. What are you saying, brother?
Bro, see, ma oviedo machine or era no you who monyo mi no yegbe yakon.
Thank you. What do you even know?
Better money matter no salobo ajam legbe dani hin.
Ana we gonna re kotiba, oge kotima wu weta na.
Que tradition mavita, que tradition.
you know.
All of us wait there.
Tradition exists.
All of us wait there.
It's so many rejecting where tradition exists. It's so many rejecting tradition.
I hear you.
Okay, Epa Ajebor not akbaba. First and foremost, enana ni matana. Mama ni nore botoni. That's number one.
Number one.
Oga ne di onwa roto. Oga ne di onwa rebe ne di onwa de oye ni ede oye ni edotoni. O no wu o to boy edotoni. O edioma dotoni ko e. Edioma even if anywhere na mola edioma will have 100% claim yonya wane.
Yes, on it all. Si senior property.
Yonya wane property that I give any edioma
already.
If on the other hand where any no wu or beni or as the case may be now or be that as it may be no do dere na veniana edo we unoragmo
oh kungo.
Secondly akabama yasi wa we no my mie to my it doesn't mean we esunu there maybe no na sunu da mananu we na bana guguru da people talk maybe we gbe na sunu oya kabama atebe we no my mie to my
osayomoro time.
Yeah, there's one scenario.
Wage Dr. Rolly finishing
in this scenario, Epa Ajebor about okay, they auto bubble, they pay auto bubble. Egbabe no be hotel ni ere Nigeria, but he's always frequently going and all of those things. Definitely not for amoma ba ni no okay where awenye na kinoga gba okay. Do you even know where by the time they see the busy of the booming of the business, they can even do anything harmful to the man because of that business.
Kakabo?
They can even do anything harmful to the person because of that business.
Okay, thank God.
Even when in my Egwana, if you go to that Doni Benin City in Mabajena, I can wear similar cases in Benin or Wasun with Doni Mawegwana. That
yes. Oh, you are right.
Because when maybe on Epa Ajebor or do Yakamawe, it's so run and mama here. Am I no sunu that for neither Agmina you my work one. You
are very, very right.
Possibly,
yes.
You are right.
The only advice I have for that woman.
They were finishing,
The only advice I have for that woman, I know where it's very painful and it's so painful. But the thing is, I thank God where Nigeria, Kenya is a well-developed country.
Yes.
Is a where the children can definitely
move on. They can move on, and they say
more than that.
Yes.
So the woman and something of that nature. That is even enough for the woman and the children. When the Diomamo were here, that just it. Or when the Diomaye to say was a back where if you are not like that way or work beno, or when the Diomata way or work beno, whatsoever, so be it when the Amu were here. I don't know say the no book only back where I only said the only half back where they can say. Also, God be goes up on our way, ABA, here be no son in Nigeria. God be God, EVA, here be no son your go be. When the Dioma more work assist or Robbie Gianne, where era or the family and it. He came in quiet, your man boy to be Benin, and which is good. And in this year, no way, why get 10 generations to come. That thing is going to be a big cost on that family. Why am I came nana?
What's it?
Very on sunu ededegbe. Memio osimokba just last year bewana. Oda fon okamemo. Emie sona do sunu. Eriya yiragmo. But eri no omoni tame obokin rai.
Ohi kamo wokere. Ve so vinye iga gui. Neno konati o onati onati obi oda fun enorowa. We onwemi no suno onwemi nera o. Omoni ki tame. Owokere. Owe we dodoniji. Inya dedia. Ji. Okwani na ino ona we ero pere dia. Emi ya no redia. Era kwa adiowa. Wait for investment. So there na daji vedia. No we ni e daji. Era meje gbeji o. Egbe veri oni komonu la diane. Because majority of a lot of family think you were. Eke normana eti u veri na adiowa. Meaning na mevedia.
Yes.
Now what adiowa. They are always entitled to your money. Not with respect.
Kakabo.
You understand the now? On any sunu ne manike yanwa. Even emeso sef iye beji o wani ya tobiya bo wa amuya veni ya
I'm telling you.
Eni ya inya we obo no wegbe upopo no wegbe ayagbe obo no winye wegbegbe uri matu no wegbe uya gbo boni tino boni wikine because it's a high hope except when maybe on maybe FK uga go salobo guys uga gebo guys anything no really believe on because agmoya Veni me rema in your family me we on we agmoya keni akere.
Yes.
We ya rio wo ke family of ere no meven wa ya wu egbe. O ikwo mo bo suffer on emi se bo da fi angu.
Kakabo.
Ikwo o suffer ese is on say ne ikbia kan ya we. Inyaga okunogi bie no bia ne. Okay, can Biani Dolly will say, okay, Bagaria, I na wu. But in case, from 18 years, or 18 be will or get your top. Only a woman not greedy. Or when no out your greedy viviwe. A possession, a property way, and when no dioni. When no voka no eve no yaga, yeah, you told me, yes, yes, because a mess of a raw, every young vision have a woo, the yoto, a modo akon yo, a mess of be will, fake will. Where any year win your own yanona, any busuno. Again, a hijena, one me queso, or win your magioni, eddie bag walk beer. Naya win your pa, and a tete bokpa.
Eh, Mamma, oh, yeah.
Yes, here feel where or walking ya, egiani yame, or Gia, or ye babic biaveriana, ne trusty, ne raw. No, there a bag guamio the one and egg bar, so, eso do feel where because it be an plan B or the yet be trapping now beg. Okay, plan B. Not take a family to be number one. Egbe very anesunu.
La okuno guana la anyway ma
Mommy.
Echo liabi?
Yes.
La oje de no plan B okay continue raba mama.
A plan B ni. It be soro or okwo arowa abielene o ohie no wene egbabo kan be yan ne no ko be mana o. Or you got all day 60 years in it, or when ye are you? Oh, a big be a very a vanya a media destroy ne. In a can a menat be young. A can of another kaya.
Oh, yeah, you was so. No.
Oh, would there
Mude a plan B do aro ne mi ya ligine. Because ezona aro between odovame. Evani egiana make na penetrate.
When they study when we for now.
Oh, yeah.
I'm always telling you where it's on.
Because any treaty very ana. Okbia no more can botonek boge. Any more treaty very ana. Wage majority of many cases. Nanamia walk bianiga who it be a sorrow. It been a cake and you walk and wameo. Otiek boga walk being a wow. Niega who wa dash you.
Exactly A to Z.
Okay. Then you mean.
Four flat or wedo. Then we're watching a bad 4 flats. 100 by 100, what's here with a back, would a big bad day. No terror, no ye, or not years or no who I family no lads here. I'll give a Tony Nana, when I come to my brother, he will not walk with
go.
In my everything, when he said to me, we now a web, and I have way. Now one of your passport and one assay, another custody. Italy with the boy pay. We want to pay when I go like that. Tinto that tomorrow 3 years. He go to the government because a near yard or masses or magazine anyway. And Italy when you're back, I want no car sunny. And in nothing, although with a great sunny way, there's a custody of one night in the village. Imagine worry. And then he make it here, walking back here, and who would you know? Yari never when no problem. A more one now. Waknyari we property here. We men know I when in no salo boage me wasona. Uno ni ya no 3 days we men no jona me we can see obefa. Obona wo bonona wo ri we onasa. Orisa we agete wo bona wo ni ya no keka.
No ya no da for we wawe property here.
Ni ya no ta. Owe to ogbin owe because of one area yo wa omonoga won hin bi omoni dan where would the property or you make money? Imagine another way boy a bomb or in Nigeria.
In
the same team at the same Epa Ajebor.
Dino, and you know very only Doroli Rema. Dr. Rolly Rema.
Oh, really? Pay no more. We tell me, imagine the government. The way we talk, big government or no government, you have certain leave. We know here. It almost a lot by that woman. Not no. Already has to. Since you Nigeria.
Umagine property no Nigeria wa about that for ba acquire.
God forbid. If you will give me, if we get anymore, I query our woman, your plaster, not the way we are. We for plaster, not plaster. Ivie, you know, then with the way I talk with me,
the man is still alive.
Good question.
Even when you give you for 1 year, only a year, because on my side, the way you not here is there when we by January, February, then he only with a best start already.